Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahabul Islam Pawan. My registration number 2020-701001. Thanks my honorable course teacher, Dr. Mohammad Abdul Hamid sir, Professor Department of Business Administration, for giving opportunity to say something about my topic. My presentation topics are: as a potential business graduate, why should I study a course on communication, and illustrate the communication process with example. What is communication? Communication is the lifeblood of social as well as a corporate world. We exist because we communicate. Even our silence communicates a lot. As a potential business graduate, I should study a communication course for the following reason. 1. Studying communication can improve self-knowledge and self-perception because most self-knowledge come to us through communication. 2. Studying communication can improve how we see others, as communicate is the way I meet others, develop and manage relationship and work effectively with others. 3. Studying communication can increase our understanding of relationship. 4. Studying communication develop important life skill, critical thinking, problem solving, conflict resolution, team building, public speaking. 5. Studying communication can help I succeed professionally, creating strong oral and writing message, working well with others, managing my image, researching, analyzing and solving problem are key abilities employer look for. Advantages of a degree in communication. Be valued. The knowledge, understanding and skill that a student acquires through a program of study in communication will help them become a valued asset in a variety of contexts, from organization to politics, from families to multinational corporations. Communication graduates are trained to think deeply about how communication process related to many of today's important issues, which will serve them while either advising on a public relationship campaign or developing a community program. Get hired. The ability to communication is one of the most highly sought skill by employers. The program of study in communication embrace a deep commitment to ethical and civically productive communication. They bring these values to their students via service, learning experience and coursework that reinforce the ethical imperative of good communication. Communication degree. A degree in communication opens the door to a wide variety of employment opportunities. Communication graduates find jobs in the private, government and non-profit sector. Following are profile of people with communication degree who are now employed in a range of interesting positioning. What is the communication process? The communication process is a dynamic framework that describe how a message travels between a sender and receiver using various communication channels. Its goal is to ensure the receiver decodes the message correctly and can provide feedback with ease and speed. Parts of the communication process. The communication process has several components that enable the transmission of a message. Sender. This is the person that is delivering a message to a recipient. Message. This refers to the information that the sender is relaying to the receiver. Channel of communication. This is the transmission or method of delivering the message. Decoding. This is the interpretation of the message. Decoding is performed by the receiver. Receiver. The receiver is the person who is getting or receiving the message. Feedback. In some instance, the receiver might have feedback or a response for the sender.